G'day crew, welcome back. Today we're investigating some new spots to possibly take the boat out. This is Currimundi Lake. Beautiful peaceful spot here. Mid-afternoon here, found ourselves a spot on the bank, giving it a go. We didn't have much luck here, so we moved a little bit further down and found a little jetty, seemed to be a better spot. We're just using a bit of squid, and a really nice person that left the jetty gave us some steak to try out. As soon as Kitty cast here, she was the first one on.
Hey me, I said I'd catch the first fish. Look, Laura. It's a little bream, I think. It is a little bream.
Still love how excited Alora gets for every single fish, no matter the size.
Can I hold him? Don't grab the spine. I'll give you a kiss.
At this point, Lucian and Ketty were going fish for fish. It was a bit of fun. Jamie?
I thought it was big.
Jamie?
You caught it again.
That's the same fish.
What the hell?
Had heaps of fish jumping out of the water. Obviously a lot of mullet and some other big ones. Don't know what they were. Hang on, hold them together. Oh, now I'm getting hits. I kept getting heaps of nibbles, but didn't catch one fish.
My rod's just chilling down.
And Lucian's on again.
Should I? Another one. That's much smaller. Just crocs in the water.
And again.
Look at Lucian. Lucian's got 3. Oh, he just ate my fat piece of steak.
Oh, he's bigger, that one. Lucian's on 3.
Gotta keep up, Mum.
And again. Is that number 4?
Yeah. We never eat steak. 2 with prawn and 2 with steak. Calm down.
Ajax finally gets on to something different.
Is that a flag? Oh, never mind. Oh, Moses perch. Hey, I caught something different to everyone else. Why was that fighting so much?
It might be barracuda.
What do we got, Ajax?
Moses perch.
And I got a bream.
Rate the release.
Oh, you didn't stick the landing.
What about my release?
Oh my god.
What do you think of our new hats?
Oh, what is it?
It might be a barracuda. It's not a barracuda.
It's a fish.
That's a brim.
Turned out to be a pretty good night actually. It's very relaxing, nice warm weather, not too many bugs. Next day we decided to head out to Maroochy River. There's a good boat ramp just behind us, not in this picture. We're going to bring the boat out up here next time and test it out. Found a nice little spot here to set up. Tide was just about to start going out. Another beautiful spot. We kept getting heaps of nibbles, but we weren't having much luck for a while. Kitty. Don't know what she's trying to say to the fish here.
That's it.
Here's old Percy just coming to say g'day. The yellow terror strikes again. What's it got this time? Definitely something we haven't had before.
Just gonna pull yours in.
Can you grab him from the back, Lucian? Yeah, let him grab that.
Grab it.
Oh, I feel it. Go.
Yeah, go that. You like that one. Apparently if you tickle under their belly, they calm down. Grab that. Play with that. Go then.
Big crab.
Hold on to the It's a big bucket. Unless my rod did that.
This is,
Oh, he's pinching me with his feet.
yeah. Like it's all wrapped under his body and stuff.
Such a creepy looking and sounding animal they are.
So can I hold him?
Look at his eyes. Look at careful though that you don't step on where this is.
So I think this one was a female. It didn't really matter, we were going to send him back anyway. He's giving us the finger on his way. See you, mate.
Bye, Bucket.
Not long after that, I got one on my rod. He was a bit more aggressive, this one. I don't think he liked Lucian much.
There we go.
Can you pick him up? And I'm pretty sure this one was a male. Apparently you can tell by the markings on their belly. You guys can correct me in the comments if you want.
He's giving us a little go.
And a pretty awesome sunset to finish the weekend off. Righto, that was another busy weekend exploring some new places. Now we know where we can take the boat out. You'll see us on the boat out on the Maroochy River for the next trip. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that like button.